Remember this. Mavado born tonight. I be good. That me friend them fire. Hey.
Jamaica, Wagwan.
Don't have the storybook with them and me not see right up on the radio.
None of them will claim to them straight. Nah support straight artists. A beer fish and chat bout.
That you come, I can guarantee, say the whole of Jamaica, I got done with JPS.
Yeah. Yo, Brooklyn, Barclays, this weekend.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if for your first time I check out Yeah Jam TV, we just ask for you subscribe to the channel, people. We need to continue grow, you know. Yeah, man, enough respect if you click the subscribe button. Alright then, so in this episode, we have one Kevin, a vibes to the big guns with a Chris Rolls Rice a footing on people. We don't know if one Kevin drop a new beast in his ski, but the machine clean. So we are checking with a clip there and see what go on, you see me? We also have Vybz Kartel a promo him crowning for Sumfest people. Yeah, man, the boss crown land on the island and soon for drop on the G8 top. Yeah, me tell you, yeah, cause we go check out that clip there and see what go on for promo, you see it? Yeah, man, we also have Nico Fire for out and say, yo, all right, and get the storybook ready. If you check out the previous vlog, you see, so we do a feature with Rhino live. I say, yo, need the rhythm from Russian. So we have Nico Fire forward out. I say, yo, all right, and I get the rhythm. I check out him reason and yeah, my did. We see him Clark Valiant one night time. So we have to go check out the clip and see what go on this. You see me, I did? Yeah, man. We also have Gangoolie family, like him and throw some shades over Foota side one night time. He must say, yo, the big song when find on the 2-time rhythm. Can't power again. Him no see it I get no forward over there from the G. I say, yo, all that. And him is a straight artist. So him no know how him not get no forward. And the song are going good. So we check out the reason there and yeah, my did. Yeah, I tell you, we also have big news since Slice breading up people. JPS nah get back running in Jamaica. About 2 more years left. We see what go on. We're gonna touch upon that topic there and make a look reasoning about it. Yeah, I tell you, yeah, man, we also have Bounty Killer landing on the ground over there in New York, people. Yeah, man, the 5-star general dip on the ground live. Presidential rollings. Yeah, me tell you, well, I forgot to check out that clip there and see how him deal with it. But first, I kick it off with the world boss, Vybz Kartel, the king of dancer. What you say, my general?
Jamaica, Wagwan. When you're ready for Reggae Sumfest. When you're ready, I'll be there. Where will you be?
Gun. Sky high. What is under my shoes? The clouds. Your red boom, dark.
Money where them there when we are great, when we are great. Gaza lucky city, every nation, every street where them there when we are great. Dog, me tell them say I want UTG, yo, where them there when we are great, when we are great. Gaza.
Them leave the world in a suspense. Say them riding us when them attack with experience. And see me work and take sick to the treating. Them leave. New Year! After 15 years, me there. Yo, Brooklyn, Barclays, this weekend, you know, the celebration begins. It's gonna be a real independence. It's gonna be a fanfare up in here. So New Year, finally, we are here. Barclays, Darkleys. NYC.
So you see settings they say no people. The 5-star general a role presidential in New York there. They on the ground, yeah, me tell you, live and fully active. Ready for the show up on the 5th of July. The Barclays now go normal. Remember, Gully God book feet, Massacre book feet, I Donia book feet people. So imagine that already, and you know say more guest appearance I go there kill a show. Cause Bounty Killer that. Enough general respect them man there and enough artists rate them man there to you see me I did. So you can imagine the star-studded lineup I go there a killer show. So if you're in a New York era, on the 5th of July, make sure you circle general show. You don't know holiday weekend. You know what I'm telling you? Yeah, man. So now we check out one Kevin a vibe to you. Big guns in the people. Yeah, man. Let me tell you, so Chris Rolls Rice there foot. Check it out and I'm knowing the thing.
Mavado find it and me fi tell you. Right now, we have only for God tune around the place. But no gun song now they out there. Watch what go on there now. Father just find it. That one and them big guns. What the gangster them there? Listen this.
Gully. Trinidad. A big gun. I got my friends them fire. We burn with that empire.
Watch now.
We put them in
A
crossfire.
big guns.
A big gun.
And a handgun you know. A big guns. What?
With a blood woman make dog for me teach and cross fly down. Up on the wall, me go catch with the rifle, rat patrol run. Watch the war, red a fly through chest and punch at them down. Shut out head side, chop out a tongue. Scary a fucker, so we do it and done. Shoot up the rifle in your ears drum. Black and sanyam them like a breadcrumb. On the perimeter, stand up straight, now the scope, make me take a picture. 300 degrees, I know the temperature. Them badness co-sign, me killers, them sicker. A big guns, that my friends, them fire. Mama, me born with that empire. I shall put them in crossfire.
This is the latest song. I wait name.
Not a fuck them.
This is a big gun.
Them don't know bums. Guns, big gun. So you know I say a place of it fast before police. So shots fire. Every rifle lift up like fire. Yeah, pressy burner.
Brand new Mavado. Make sure to don't know that one here. Just drop.
Enemy on my phone.
Suck no matter.
Boom.
Play with it, you got take less stamina. Turn the back of the rifle like it.
A big gun.
A big gun.
Fire.
That my friends on fire. Me born with that empire. We put them in crossfire. Big guns. That Guyana fire. That Jamaica fire. That is all them fire. Pussy try this me from last year. Blind them blind or them can't hear. Me born figure it out warfare. No mix Rolex with a Cartier.
Gunshot a fire out the road. I want to know.
Born in the badness.
Gas have a piece. Papa have a piece. Grand spell. Remember this. Bado born in night.
A big
gun. That's the friend them fire. Hey.
We born with that empire.
So that a one Kevin a vibe to the big guns in the city, no people. Rose Ryce a foot well clean here. I tell you, the G are out in a town and just a whole a mad vibe to the big guns. A big guns. Yeah, I tell you, the song of the whole place right now. You can't go around it. And you go around it, yo, a trouble you get. Yo. Alright, so now we check out Nico Fire. He must say, yo, oh, Black Rhino and get the storybook with him. Ah, no. He can't believe it. So yo, check out him reason that he did.
Let me tell you something, man. Vybz Kartel and Russian. I don't understand, you know. So I have the storybook with him and I don't see Rhino up on the rhythm. Oh, Rhino up on the rhythm. And then I see Rhino up on live a big. And I say tag Russian kind of one piece of rhythm. Virgin, you know better than that, man. You know better than that, man. Remember say Kartel forgive Rhino, you know. Rhino performer to a Kartel show them already, you know. Russian, and there I show them too. Nobody now have to tell if you put the youth on the rhythm. You know Rhino want the strength. So what not do that for? Give Rhino the strength, man. When you tag Russian on the video and tag Vybz Kartel on the rhythm, you must say Rhino about the artist, you know, man. Give man back the strength, man. Oh gosh, man. Nobody make it look so wicked, man. Buy guns and make it pass, man. Give Rhino with him. Rhino if I come on live and I tell people to tag Russian to get peace out with him. Kartel should tell Russian say if you send the reading to the Rhino. And up back the youth thing. The youth are work, man. Give him back his straight, man. Buy guns, man. Remember I say I want Gaza said we, you know. You know tag Russian and tag Kartel on the video, man. You know do better, man. You know fight all Valiant on the rhythm. We have big shit in a plate. You know see Valiant them get whole for strength from DJ Mac already. You know do better than that, man. Come down, man.
So that are the views and Nico Fire there, you know, people. He must say, yo, Rhino need for the panda storybook with him there. And it would be a real good look for him. Yeah, man. As we say in our previous blog as well, if Rhino get that run up on the rhythm there, it would have seal him up back in our music. They say, yo, the thing official, because you don't say man get back the strength from the Gaza right now. So that just make it official and lift up back in career the real way. Yeah, me I tell the people. Yeah, man. So now we check out Gangoolie, you know, people. Look like he might throw some shades over Foota side one night time, you know. We know what the G doing, but he just decide to say, yo, Foota get it an idea. So here the reasoning.
So Campar again, done by Gangoolie, that's me. Reach 500,000 views on YouTube. So you know me gonna celebrate later with some champagne. That's a great milestone in my musical career. Cause if me not talk about it, you know, them not gonna talk about it. You understand? Because Gangoolie ain't in a war with nobody. Them not say police are look for me if kill me. Them not hear say me name up on wanted list. Them not say me I move dunks like me not have no sense. Because them people are the big platform them interview, you know. You now go see them call Gangoolie. You understand? So you, the people, are only make this happen for me. I only run up the views them. And it's still counting. And I say much love to each and everyone who respect Gangoolie and support Gangoolie music. I want to say respect to the man, the musician them, who build the two-time rhythm. I want to say respect to Cargo, because him bust the two-time rhythm. And you see, the man them will claim say them straight, you know. Remember saying, you know, said reggae music mash up, you know. And the man them will say them straight and a burn out fishiness. And now, me no sooner have this song I play or I talk about here, I review this song. Saying, it's a straight artist, this, you know. I mean, no sooner support straight artists. I better say Gangoolie did a link with one fish. A link with Derek Morgan or Shibard or some fish. I'm going to do one collab with that here, you know, burn out Gangoolie. And a clot Gangoolie. But no, we're not going to talk about this. We're not going to talk about the struggle where Gangoolie got through. The beating where Gangoolie getting her music. And now Gangoolie find a hit song. 500,000 views in a 3 weeks. Then, authentic views from the fans them, the people them out there. We make this possible, Gangoolie. Once me find out you don't real, the least thing you run go squeal. Me and you can par again. Me and you can par again. From them I carry my name to girl, and I go on like them article. Me and you can par again. Me and you can par. You don't think I lie me I tell? Just observe. None of them will claim to them straight. Nah support straight artists. A beer fish then chat about. Nah support blood clot reggae music. Because they say reggae music mash up. And see the two-time rhythm I come hit back the ground. Hit back the world. And Gangoolie find a hit song. And enough of them know me out there. Zane, and they never review the song. I be a stranger. And the fans them make this song possible right now. Big up Cargo again.
Alright family, you remember when Vybz Kartel did say this?
There is talks now, even in Parliament, fi take the monopoly off the energy system. So look from this, we are going to have more than one company to give a light to choose from. And when that day come, we can guarantee, say the whole of Jamaica I got done with JPS.
Like the government of Jamaica fed up with JPS right now, you know. They must say, yo, them now renew them current licensing deal or agreement in July 2027. That at the 8th of July, if it be specific people. Yeah, man, they must say, yo, the current existing deal right now, it's not favorable to Jamaicans on a cost-saving basis. So that means that them realize, yo, JPS take too much. You see me, I did. Them have utility bodies where regulate everything, but that still not help the people, them the real way, because at the end of the day, the light bill them sky high, and in a modern time right now we have cheaper light bill and them thing they're going towards the future because technology improve, everything have become much more accessible, so things figure upon the cost saving basis. So the government realize that and them give them a heads up, make them know say yo, them have to go structure a new deal where can benefit the people of Jamaica, or else possibly other energy companies could get involved in the sector, just like with the DJ say Vybz Kartel. Him tell say yo, profit the man and now and see that I play out in 2025 today, and we'll live to see that yo is a great thing. So now we check out one Kevin like him a clan Beenie Man wicked one night time, people. Yeah man, so we have to check out the reason I did.
What flying at you for you say you want to do a free show in New York? What flying at you for you say you are give away a free show in a New York? What? Who advise you? Dancehall just gone back up your sub-bro. And it's a level where other people can't eat. And you are give a free show. So if you are give a free show, you don't think people are going to start point finger upon the rest of people them and tell them so they give a free show too. Because the money not there for uno. Because the money not there for uno. So since you now make the money where you for make, let's just pull down everybody and make everybody look bad. Because them now, oh, I'm not king of dancehall no more. Okay, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it down so that means that people stop paying on whatever pay on. They are paying too much money. So let me do a free show. Let's give back. Go give back to Jamaica. Oh, you reach us up. I say you want to give back. Yeah, go give back to your pitney them. Oh, you reach us and give you a free show, bro. And you just get your visa. And you say money, come new money. So how you reach us up? Oh, you reach. Me want, who advise you? Who is Beenie Man legal advisor? Because this don't make no sense. Free show now make you look good. I'm sorry. The truth is the truth. A free show is not going to make you look good. If you was going to give a free show, go do it at Jamaica. Yeah. Go on at National Stadium and do a free show at Jamaica. Or open garden. Or whatever big open place you have. Go do a free show there. So. Like, seriously, Beenie Man? Why, bro? Why would... Right now, you're going to make other people start look on the youth them. And start tell them, well, how much you charge for your show? Well, me I charge, 100,000. Beenie Man just do a free show. You can't get that 100,000 right now, because Beenie Man just lower the standard of reggae dancehall music right now. If you come out here, so come talk about him and do free show. This a man here charge how much? 1.6 million. And you the over here charge no money at all. $0 and 0 cents. Oh, I'm doing a free show. Give back. Give back my bum. Give back what? Where you give back? Where you not have?
So I understand one Kevin point right there say, because right now dancehall depend the increase. The artist demand gone up, so the payout can go up as well. Rightfully so too. You see me? Because them really are bring forth the attention towards the venue. Them are put the people them in the venue and charge the money where them are charge. So I understand that point there we might make right there. So if you say yo, the thing are increase, but on the other side, Beenie Man a brief say yo, him want to do a free show which can have a negative impact towards the overall increase there. Yeah, but the other hand now you have to look on it say yo, a Beenie Man that the fans them do all the film over the years and him just want to show him appreciation. So you don't know Zagafi say yo that are the right thing to do, which is a free show in New York there, but other avenues that they probably can look into in order for can bless the people them still, because right now as we are saying, we want the thing upon a level, upon a standard where they up there, you see me? Man, and I represent I clothes. So that the look on the EMS. So if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people, just want to big you up and tell you thanks again for watching the entire episode, and remember yourself to subscribe to the channel. Man, catch you in the next one. Mad.